Hello everyone, and welcome to a new lesson. And today we are going to learn a new letter, and the letter is Y. 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 Do you know that the letter Y makes 3 different sounds? Let's have a look. The sound number 1. Y. 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 Y for yogurt. 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 Y for yo-yo. 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 Y for yellow. 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 Y for yoga. 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 The second sound is I. I. I like in sky. 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 I like in my. 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 I like in July. 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 Excellent. Let's move on. And the sound number 3 is E. 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 E like in baby. 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 E like in funny. 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 E like in family. 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 E like in bunny. 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 Excellent. So this is the letter Y. Let's practice the letter Y in a tongue twister. Let's start. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Try it again. Let's try it slowly. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Let's try it quicker. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Yanking yellow yo-yos. Can you do it? Excellent, good job. Let's write it down. This is the letter Y. 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 It's a game time. Let's play a game. I spy with my little eye. Are you ready? Let's start. I spy with my little eye a word starting with Y. Are you ready? Go. Excellent. Yo-yo. I spy with my little eye a word starting with Y. Are you ready? Go. Excellent! Yoga! I spy with my little eye a word starting with Y. Are you ready? Go! Excellent job! Yogurt! I spy with my little eye a word starting with Y. Are you ready? Go! Yellow! Good job! Can you find these words? Can you find the word funny? Excellent, good job. Can you find the word yellow? Well done. Can you find the word yoga? Good job. Can you find the word yogurt? Excellent. Can you find the word baby? Marvelous! Can you find the word sky? Excellent! Good job! I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.